Hi guys. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to make a mandala in a circle. Okay, we're gonna try to make this. All right, and I'm gonna show you how to do it without a compass. So I'm just gonna take something, a circle template we can trace. Okay. Sometimes it's easier to do it this way or this way without a compass. Okay. I think it's easier personally. So I now have a circle. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my ruler, and my ruler, I'm going to see that line right there. Okay, I'm gonna line that ruler up. So for this one, I want you guys to stand up out of your seat, and then I'm gonna try to find where this line matches up. Okay, see that, how it matches up with that line? And then I'm gonna lightly draw that. There's my halfway mark. Okay, so now that I have a halfway mark, I'm gonna give you guys a protractor. Now, before I do that real quick, I'm gonna come back. That's the beginning of the measuring. Okay, that's the end of the measuring. I have just short of 8 3/4. So half of that would be like, we'll just round it up to 9 for now. That would be 4.5, okay? But I know it's 8 3/4. So I'm gonna go back a little bit, 2 lines. I'm gonna mark it. So it's gonna be at 4.5 is right there. Okay, and I'm gonna go back 2 lines. So 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 and 6/16, which if you divide and reduce it, that's gonna be 2/8. No, 3/8. 4 and 3/8. Okay. So now that I have 4 and 3/8, that's my halfway mark. Okay. I'm gonna take my protractor. That's my center point. I'm gonna line it up on the 90-degree line right there. I'm gonna line up my center point. Okay, right there. I'm gonna find my 90-degree line. I'm going to mark right there because that's where 0 is. I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna mark where 0 is. I'm now gonna take my line right there, my pencil. I'm gonna pivot my ruler on it. And there you go. Now I have divided this into 4 sections, but we want 8 sections. So I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna line it back up on my center. Okay. That line right here, 0 and 180, 90, so we're good. I'm gonna find 45 degrees right there. I'm gonna find 45 degrees right there. Okay. I'm gonna rotate this around. I'm gonna do the exact same thing, but on the opposite side. Okay, so here my line lines up on 0, my line lines up on the 180 or the 0, and not quite 90. There we go, move it over. I'm gonna find my 45-degree angle. I'm gonna find my 45-degree angle. There we go. I'm gonna find my middle point. I'm gonna take my pencil. I'm gonna have my pivot. I'm gonna line it up. There you go. Do the exact same thing. I'm gonna line these 2 lines up. Remember, there's a, see how the ruler moves things? Because it's just physical, just because it physically does it that way. And there you go. 8 sections, all done.